This is what your videos could look like if you learn color grading. Whether you are a beginner or advanced CapCut user, you must know how to color correct your videos to enhance its quality. There are 5 ways to color grade in CapCut. Let's go over them one by one. CapCut makes color grading super beginner-friendly with tools like Auto Adjust and Basic Color Correction. Just enable these options, then fine-tune the intensity slider to get the look you want. This is a great starting point if you are a beginner, but as you grow in editing, you need more control on color grading. That brings us to the next method, where you can freely adjust the color, lightness, and effects of the video. As you can see, you have full control on how you want your video to look like. HSL gives you more control on individual colors in the video. You can tweak the hue, saturation, and brightness of a specific color. You can also use the eyedropper to choose specific color that's not in this list. Once a color is picked, it gets added to the list so we can make adjustments. RGB curves are a little advanced than the previous ones, because getting the right color balance that you expect is a little difficult. There are 4 curves: Luma, red, green, and blue. Luma is to control the brightness, and the other curves control each of these colors. Let's say you want to increase the brightness. You can simply drag the curve to the left, and to reduce the brightness, drag it down. If we do the other way around like this, it gives a negative effect. For the color curves, when you drag to the left, it gives shades of red, green, and blue. And if you drag to the right, it gives their opposite colors. It looks really simple, isn't it? But to effectively enhance the color of your videos, you should combine this with other methods. I will show you how I color grade using a combination of all methods later in this video. The last one is the color wheel, which is pretty much similar to the basic method, but within a circle. You can play around with tint, mid-tone, and shadows. These arcs can be used to adjust the saturation and exposure. And if you switch to log, you can adjust the highlights. So now that we know how color grading can be done in CapCut, I will show you how I apply these methods in my videos. This is how much of a difference it could make when you color grade your videos the right way.